Tissot just dropped two brand new colors for one of the best value automatic sports watches on the market. And honestly, this might be the sweet spot of the entire PR516 lineup. If you like vintage racing vibes, modern specs, and sub $1,000 pricing, this one deserves your attention. This is the Tissot PR516 38mm Powermatic 80, and for 2026, it arrives with two fresh dials, a clean matte white and a bold gradient aqua blue. Same great watch, now with even more personality. Now, the PR516 isn't new. It actually dates back to 1956, with PR standing for particularly robust, meaning particularly robust. By the 1960s, it evolved into a proper racing-inspired sports watch, and recently Tissot revived it with chronographs and automatics that really nailed that retro motorsport feel. This 38mm time and date version, it's the everyday, affordable hero of the collection. Size-wise, it's pretty much perfect. You get 38mm case, 11.2 millimeters thick, 44mm lug to lug, so it wears compact, slim, and super comfortable on almost any wrist. The case is mostly brushed steel with polished bevels, giving it that sporty but premium look. And up top, there's a black 60-minute bezel with a mineral insert that mimics vintage plexiglass, a really cool retro touch, plus sapphire crystal and 100 meters of water resistance. So yeah, this is absolutely daily wear ready. Now let's talk about what's actually new. First, the matte white dial. Super clean, super classic. The dark gray coated markers and hands pop beautifully against the white, and paired with the black bezel gives that strong vintage racing chronograph energy. Then there's my personal favorite, the aqua blue gradient. It fades darker toward the edges, almost fumé style, and feels way more modern and playful. It's fresh, it catches light beautifully, and honestly makes the watch feel way more expensive than it is. Both versions ditch the bright seconds hand from last year and go for a more refined, matching look. Cleaner, more mature. I like it. Inside, you get the famous Powermatic 80. That's 80 hours of power reserve, basically 3 full days, plus a Nivacron hairspring for better magnetic resistance. Reliable, proven, and honestly one of the best automatic movements you'll find at this price point. And yes, you can see it through the display caseback. The watch comes on a really nice 5-link Jubilee-style bracelet with brushed and polished surfaces and a butterfly clasp. Comfort? Excellent. Looks? Even better. And the price? Around $800. That's kind of crazy for what you're getting. So if you want vintage racing style, modern reliability, and everyday wearability without breaking the bank, the PR516 38mm Powermatic 80 might be one of the smartest buys of the year. White or blue? Which one are you picking? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more watch reviews. See you in the next one!